guys, welcome back to LVLIMUA channel. Cha. Today I have my beautiful friend, lovely friend, Miss Azzura Daud. She asked me to do her makeup for her event. I forgot, but it's a launching of a product lah. So I was thinking on doing like eyeliner and very simple eye makeup. Faham-faham je lah, my simple kan. So since the eyeshadow is quite macam tricky, so and eyeliner sebab she got hooded eyes, I'm gonna start with the eye first. So while waiting for the kita nak buang masa, we just gonna prep the skin so that while kita buat the mata, the skin is nicely prepped. So I really letak this Embryolisse moisturizer primer, and then for the lips I really prep dengan Lucas Papau cream. Okay, the reason kenapa I start with the eye first, sebab kita nak pakaikan eyeliner, and then she got hooded eyes, so it might be macam ada trick sikit sebab kita nak kasi dia nampak wing liner tu. So as base, I really letak this Wycon eyeshadow stick. I forgot which colour, tapi I really akan letak dekat dalam description box. So Everly akan blend this colour all over the eyelid to give the effect of shadow. So maksudnya the eyeshadow is not the main part, tapi dia help to enhance lagi the eyeliner look later. So I like to use this base sebab lepas ni apa benda yang kita letak dekat atas dia akan stick. So to further darken the eye shape, the eyes punya shade yang bayang tu, Everly letak this brown eyeshadow. Any eyeshadow works, but this one I forgot which one I do. I put I think it is the Colourpop palette. Sebab video ni dah lama gila. So I mesti lupa some of the product. So since she got hooded eyes, I really letak this eyelid tape. You guys nampak perbezaan dia? Buka mata. Ha tu. So kita letak eyelid tape untuk kasih effect of double eyelid or crease dekat bahagian mata. So later bila kita letak eyeliner, dia macam pop nampak gitu. So without without really using like cut crease punya teknik. So untuk eyeliner, since hooded eyes, Everly tak nak letak eyeliner dulu. Everly suka letak the bulu mata first, and then later we'll see which part yang perlukan eyeliner. Sebab kalau kita lukis eyeliner dulu on hooded eyes, it tends to tebal. And then you tahu je lah, I punya hand is quite heavy, heavy-handed way. So I put the what am I saying? I put the eyelashes first, and then I curl it so dia nampak lebih terbuka and then lebih ringan for the wearer, untuk pemakai. Sebab Everly suka letak eyelashes tu dia mengarah ke bawah dulu, so nanti dia blend dengan eyelash yang original, and then baru kita clip naik atas, dia naik sama-sama. So untuk supaya the eyeliner tak terlalu tebal, I fill in the inside apa nama dia ni, I forgot, tight line. The tight line first, and then Everly baru tarik keluar. So you guys nampak dia macam I pakai eyeliner tapi I tak pakai banyak pun. So I akan lebihkan dekat bahagian luar je lah untuk kasih the effect of wing liner. So untuk to clean, to crisp the eyeliner, Everly gunakan makeup wipe untuk kasih nampak tajam. And for further darken the crease, Everly nak nampak illusion yang dia punya mata ke dalam kan. Everly letak sikit dark eyeshadow dekat dia punya crease. And then for the eyebrow, since she already got nice eyebrows guys, Everly just letak this wax, and then just tambah bahagian luar sahaja. Macam tu, kasih panjang sikit je. Sebab eyeliner ni dia nampak macam panjang tau. So kalau eyebrow tu terlalu contoured, dia nampak macam tak kena. Dia macam tak gang. So I put just a little bit je untuk panjangkan sikit dia punya eyebrow. So the eyes are finished. I really letak some of light eyeshadow dekat the brow bone. What is happening to my voice? So untuk kasih effect yang effect yang separated eyelashes. LVLI letak this mascara dekat bahagian hujung-hujung je dekat lashes. Alright, nice. You guys nampak tak? Eyelashes tu dia nampak macam lagi separated begitu. Untuk cover all of the darkness, LVLI guna this orange corrector concealer. This one is from LA Girl, the famous LA Girl orange corrector. So that lepas ni kalau kita letak foundation, bahagian yang gelap tu dia takkan nampak ashy. Kembali suaraku. Okay, and then LVLI teruskan dengan this foundation. If I'm not mistaken, I use Etude punya foundation sebab at that time I was so in love with the Etude. I used it until I finished it so that I can change to a new foundation at that time lah. So biasanya LVLI akan this time, if I'm not mistaken lah, dekat dalam video ni LVLI mix colour chestnut dengan petal to get her shade. Sebab usually I just buy the lightest colour and then the darkest colour, and then in between tu pandai-pandai lah kita gabungkan kan. I already continue dengan shading. This one I use the Hourglass punya palette, face palette. LVLI just tak nak too much lah, just kasih bayang sikit je sebab bila muka dah flat dia akan jadi macam tak menawan lah, macam tak glowy. So ini kelakarnya guna tak menawan kan. So I really guna the shade just to kasih nampak dimension sikit lah, nampak 3D. I really letak kat bayang pipi, and then dagu sikit. Since dagu dia dah ronceng, we don't need to put much. Up to you lah, ikut selera. However you want to do it. And then for the hidung pun LVLI guna the same Hourglass punya face palette. What happened to me today? LVLI shade je hidung. It might seem a bit dark. Jap, ada special appearance from Ginger, her cat. Nampak tak Ginger? So it might seems the nose contour tu nampak macam sedikit gelap, tapi trust me guys, later LVLI akan ratakan dengan powder. With face powder dia akan nampak soft je, sebab kalau terlalu light kita buat pun dia tak akan nampak dalam kamera tau. So macam tak on lah dia punya hidung punya contour. And then for the under eye, LVLI letak that one's not white, that one is Elf punya eyeshadow stick, and then LVLI top dengan the same brown eyeshadow yang kita letak dekat atas tadi. Tapi LVLI tak letak banyak sangat lah, tak sikit je. And then sedikit mascara for the lower lashes. For the cheek, my favorite part, blusher. LVLI guna this one is from BH Cosmetic punya blusher palette. LVLI guna yang warna macam purple pink gitu to just brighten up the face. And then LVLI also letak this highlighter from Hourglass, the same Hourglass palette yang ada shading tadi tu. Nampak tak dia punya glow? Dia tak, I love Hourglass punya highlighter tu sebab dia tak nampak glittery, dia nampak glowy je. For the lips, LVLI use this colour yang macam almost like the blusher but a little bit red, dia punya hue. Sebab dia, since Azzura will be wearing white punya dress, dia macam LVLI tak nak lah macam too much. And then plus this is like pagi hari punya event kan, so nanti taklah macam terkejut macam why are you wearing so light lipstick ataupun terlalu red lipstick macam tu. So just blend. LVLI tak nak lah terlalu berbentuk, LVLI just buat macam blended. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much guys for watching and then mendengar baby line gue. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.